Good morning, everybody. This is Chase with GreenKey. I want to show you guys a little bit of what we've got going on today. A lot of our installs are in garages or mounted onto the side of the home. This one's a little bit different. Customer has a panel box which is down in his unfinished basement, and his driveway doesn't run up right on the side of the house. It's probably about 15 feet off of the home. So today we've got a trenching job that we did. We are running this in 3/4 inch rigid conduit, which doesn't require as deep of a trench. So you can see we're going to be setting a post here. So we're going to be installing the Emporia smart home EV charger. It does have the hardwired whip, which is going to allow me to put a junction box down here low on the post, and we'll lug everything there to make our connections. And you can see I've trenched over here right to the side of where the disconnect for the air conditioning unit is, and that's where our box is. It pokes through that wall down into the basement. All right, so you can see here's my box. This is where I came through from the other side. We're going to be running Greenfield down and around and then up into the bottom of the panel. So I will give you some more footage as we get closer towards completion, and I'll talk to you guys soon.